Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video. So, in a ways, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down now, which is very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves down. Based on my higher time frame analysis, I am definitely still very bearish. So, I am looking at this move up as a correction to this last push down. I would definitely be watching, probably especially the 61%, because this big candle, this big bearish red candle right there, is definitely a big liquidity area. So, at this point, it probably is pretty likely it's going to make its way up to about the 61, maybe the 50%, but probably more likely to 61.8. And if we see like a double top at that level, like a break of structure to the downside, then I would definitely still take it as a sorting opportunity. Until then, if you are a scalper, you could definitely be scalping to the long side still. Otherwise, I'd be waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'd be waiting for a big bearish engulfing candle and preferably a break of structure to the downside to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.